Hi, it's Danielle Smith with Coldwell Banker, and today I'm here with my friend Blair, who is very interested in looking at 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single levels with an ocean view here in San Clemente. So we're going to go take a look at 908 Camino Ibiza here in San Clemente. Come tour with us. What do you think about this living space?
Nice and airy.
It is.
Oh, this is a high ceiling. Fantastic.
Perfect. Well, let's take a look over that dining room space. Can you envision a little family dining?
Meals, kids.
Yes.
Dog underneath, carpet sharking.
Perfect. Perfect. Let's take a look at that kitchen. Ocean views while you cook.
And family, look at that bench there.
Here in our secondary living space, direct fireplace.
I see that.
Yes, direct access to the backyard.
Oh gosh. And the views keep on going.
They keep on going, yeah. Let's go take a look and see at these living spaces over here down the hallway. And then here is the primary suite with, again, ocean views, French doors, high ceilings, 2 closets with mirrors.
Airflow for days.
Definitely. Beautiful outdoor space, covered patio. And here is your view that you've been wanting to see. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single level, ocean view property in San Clemente. I think it checks all the boxes.
All the boxes.
Perfect.